The Epiphany add-on for Google Sheets comes with a built-in feature that lets you save your API requests for future use. This is a very basic feature, but it's also one of the most important, and we recommend learning it as soon as possible. It'll save you a ton of time by letting you rerun your saved API requests instead of manually inputting them every time you do your work. The first step is to open Google Sheets and run Epiphany. To begin, go to your spreadsheet, then click Add-ons, go to Epiphany API tool, then Import API. Step 2. Fill out the necessary fields. In Epiphany, input your API URL path containing the endpoint you want to use, any headers, and customize your API request as necessary. Step 3. Test your request, then save it. Once you're done customizing your request, click Run to test it. Once you're satisfied with your request, click Save to save your request. Epiphany will ask you to name your saved request. Choose an appropriate name that's easy to remember, then click Save to finish the process. Viewing and running saved requests. To view your saved API requests, go to the Manage tab. There you'll see a complete list of all your saved requests. To instantly run a request, click Run. To refresh all of the API data in the entire spreadsheet, you can run all saved requests simultaneously by clicking Refresh All APIs. Editing, duplicating, and deleting saved requests. To edit, duplicate, or delete a saved request, go to the Manage tab to see a complete list of all your saved requests. Then click on the name of the saved request that you want to modify. After you click on the name, you will be taken to the Edit page where you can modify the saved request as you like. After you save your API request, you can then head over to the Schedule tab to schedule your saved request to automatically refresh every hour, day, week, or month. And that's it. Congratulations, you now know how to save requests in Epiphany. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions.